Yeah. Drinks in the room and just left two. Drinks in the room and just left two.
Hi guys, my name is Tiana and I'm back with another video. Almost like I'm consistent or something. I feel like that's going to be my new phrase because I say that in almost every video, whether it's like the end or the beginning of the video. But today I have a haul slash restock video because Valentine's Day is coming up and I plan on being booked and busy all day. I've been dropping stuff just in my room. Anyway, like as I was saying, Valentine's Day is around the corner and I needed to restock. So I did get a lot of things that I needed to restock on. So why not show you guys what I got? For starters, there's some things that I did buy off Amazon that are not here for this video. So I'll put that here. And I definitely needed some disposable items. So this is going to come in handy. Yeah, and the sponges, you can never go wrong with sponges. Right now I have 3 because for a while I was giving them out to the people, but I'm gonna find out like a way to do that, a better way to do that. But let's get into the haul. So I obviously went to Ulta. I did a pickup order from Ulta, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. I needed some more of this NYX glue. This glue is really good. It honestly, chef's kiss, is so good. These are my favorite NYX eyebrow pencils. I got it in the shade Black and Espresso, which are my 2 main shades. I have some still, but I remember I was doing somebody's makeup and it broke and I'm like, oh, I don't have anything else. Maybe I was in my mind, maybe that was fabricated. But I definitely need espresso, so I got 2 more of those. Can never go wrong with eyebrow pencils. And they were also having a 50% off sale, so a lot of these things I did get buy one get one 50% off. And then I got 2 more lip pencils. You can never go wrong with lip pencils. Me, I feel like I lose all of my lip pencils. And NYX is so weird because I can never find the shades that I want. Like there's a deep dark brown that's not too mauvey and purplish. It's just brown. It's just brown. And it's not too green and it's not too purple. And I can't find it. So I got this brown color thinking it would do something. But look. Like look how brown that is compared to this color. And this color is the liner that I have on my lips now. So you win some, you lose some, I guess. I was looking for the Inglot liner gel. I went to Walmart, they didn't have it, so when I was just making this Ulta order, I just got this. I just want a gel liner. That's it. No particular reason. I never used this, but they had it, and I'm like, you know, I never use a gel liner, so I'm not going to go with something so expensive. I really wanted the Inglot, but couldn't find it. This duo lash glue is my favorite duo lash glue ever. This green formula, I like it specifically for the brush applicator. There's, I believe, 3. There's a trio of this, like a blue one, a purple one, and this green one, but I always just get the green one. I believe it's, I was going to say for sensitive eyes. I'd be lying. I tell people, yeah, it's sensitive. It's not. I think it's because it has vitamin A, C, and E. I don't know. And then I picked up some more foundation colors just for better ranges in my collection. You can't go wrong with that. I personally do mix colors anyway, so having like a broader ranges to pick from is always essential. And at first when I wasn't getting that much clients, I didn't want to get so many because I could do what I do with what I had, but it's time for me to start adding more foundation colors into my stock. So this is my favorite concealer ever. I'm pretty sure you've seen everybody talk about this concealer. It is my favorite and it works so well. So I got that. This is the e.l.f. setting spray, the Do Power Grip setting spray. I was almost out, so I definitely had to pick up another one. And then this is the Revlon Superfix Super Hold setting spray. I'm almost out of this too, so I just wanted to just pick back up another can. I really do like these setting sprays. The next thing that I got were for my add-ons. On my website, I do have add-on services, and I needed to get them because I didn't have them. But I got some lip wax strips, facial strips for doing an upper lip waxing only. I don't like to touch the brows or anything. I feel like you don't have to come to me with your eyebrows groomed, but I'm not touching them. I'm not. You're not going to blame me for your eyebrows being messed up. And then I got some lashes too. And then I got some lashes for bottom lashes. It's also an add-on service, like I did mention. I wanted the strip bottom lashes, but I don't know where to find that, so I'm just going to be using these until I'm able to get my hands on the strip bottom lashes. And if you know where to find that, please let me know. It would be greatly appreciated. And that is really it to show you guys some of the things basically that are in my kit. Almost essentially these are the things in my kit because it's a restock. But if you did like the video and you found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Yeah, bye. See you guys next video.